All right, thanks for checking out our channel. If this is the first time you ever seen one of our videos, we appreciate you checking us out. We have 380 something videos on YouTube right now. We got all kinds of videos on how things work, how to repair stuff, review videos on things, and we got fence chargers, a lot of those, and some cattle and livestock weigh scale, low bar stuff on there as well. Not as many as those because we don't get those in as often, but we got a bunch of videos on electric fence chargers. But curious about us, our website is fencerfixer.com, and Fencer and Fixer, spell F as in Frank. There's Fencer right there. But down in the description area, there'll be a little link down there. Click on our website, but fencerfixer.com, and our cattlescalerepair.com site about our repairs on livestock low bars and EID tag readers and weight scales and stuff for weighing things. But this is going to be kind of an overview and talk about this unit real quick. This is an older style Parmak 6-volt unit. That's called a solar pack, but they still call them solar packs today. But this is the old style that had a little light here that flashed. It didn't have before they put the little needle gauge on it. And I don't recall. Hey, you remember what the number said on the inside of this thing? How old it was? Was there a sticker on? Or no, it's older than that. Okay, I think it was in the early mid '90s, if I remember right. This one was. Yeah, but the weird thing about this, you look at these wires. This is what would go to your solar panel and the battery. Normally, you think black is negative, white would be the positive. But nope, for whatever reason back then. Get my power supply a little closer so the wires are reached. Black was positive and white was negative for whatever reason on these older flashing light style ones. So I've got power supply set at 6.9 volts. Turn the light on, or turn the push. This was also a push button. There goes the flashing right along with every click. This is a fairly quiet unit, not a very loud unit. Put a screwdriver across here and you see the little spark it jumps. If you can see it. Get a screwdriver here. Not a super strong unit, but this is a 6-volt small portable unit. This usually fits in a big cabinet, that holds the whole thing, and there's a big 6-volt battery sits down inside, and a 12-volt or a 6-volt solar panel set up on the very top of the case. So this is just the center section of the unit. I mean, they're not not designed to do 100 acres. 50 acres, designed to do like 25 acres or less. Probably would be kind of the extent of one of these. I would say I don't know if I'd go much bigger than that, but yeah, it's a good unit. I mean, it's older style. I mean, they don't make this style anymore, but luckily the good thing is about most Parmaks, you can get all the parts for them. So what was bad in this one was the light bulb was this is kind of a yellowish color light. They had a red light in it before, but the backside of the bulb, the wires on there just rusted and fell off. And then the board was no good, so we replaced the board, rewired up a new style board into this old style unit, and put a new light bulb assembly in there, and rewired everything back the way it was, and then it went to working fine. So it took a little playing around to get the wiring right, because this old style had a very old circuit board in it, which I don't think I have a close by to show you, but luckily this thing's working again. So for being a 30-year-old unit, we got it going again. So if you've got one of these old Parmak units like this, or any other brand or model of electric fence unit, look us up and let us take a peek at it for you. I'd be happy to work on one for you. We don't charge anything for looking at it. It's always a free quote. And we do put 1.5 year warranties on everything that we work on repair wise. So the board and the light bulb on it have a 1.5 year warranty on it. We cover lightning damage, but we don't cover mishandling or water damage. We don't bugs getting inside. Bugs don't get in these things very often. Usually it's got something to do with age or lightning. It's usually about the only thing that really hits these old Parmaks. But hopefully you like this stuff. But until we do another video of how to work on something or how one works, we will talk at you guys later.